in this video, I'm going to show you how to receive money on bKash from NexusPay. So let's start with the first one, which is open the bKash application on your smartphone and just make sure that you're logged into your bKash account. Now, on the home screen, you will see your current balance and the main menu with options like send money, payment, mobile recharge, cash out, and add money. Next is navigate to request money. So from the bKash home screen, scroll down to the quick links section and then tap on the request money. So this feature allows you to request funds linked to services including NexusPay. Now you can also find it under the main menu options in here. So next is just fill in the request details. So on the request money form, you have to enter the amount that you want to receive in BTD, and then you also have to select NexusPay as the source from the drop-down menu. So you can also add an optional reference note for your records, and then just make sure to double check the amount before proceeding. Next is enter your bKash PIN. So for security, bKash will ask you to enter the 5-digit PIN to authorize the transaction. So use the on-screen numeric keypad to enter your PIN carefully. So your PIN keeps your account secure and prevents unauthorized transactions. Last step is transaction confirmed. So once the transfer is complete, you will see a confirmation screen showing money received successfully with the amount, sender, NexusPay, transaction ID, and the date of time. So you can tap on view receipt to save or share the receipt. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!